Founded in 2005, Wuhan ED Electronics Company Limited, Xenons, is an integrated company of digital inkjet technology, inkjet printer, global marketing, and total digital inkjet solutions provider. Xenons is the large digital inkjet print engine supplier in the world, who have 25 software staffs, 35 mechanical staffs, 25 electronics staffs, 6 ink engineers, and other engineers, serve its R&D department. We supplier the print engine for Seiko printhead, Toshiba printhead, Epson printheads, Ricoh, Konica, Dymatix printhead. The famous Printmon software system also belonged to us with patent. Over 44,763 square meters facilities spreads in 2 places, China Optical Valley Industrial Park of Wuhan, High-Tech Industrial Zone of Xianing. Xenons provides total solution for all major digital printing fields such as UV printing, textile printing, package printing, label printing, CAD and ACE printing, construction printing, single-pass printing, photographic printing, etc., equipped with own design printing system. And with a high-standard QC control system, well-trained technical support engineer, and good service to customers, Xenons, Knfun, Yilijet, Coltex, PDJET is our well-known trademark. Service over 80 countries globally. Xenons brand becomes the international brand. Xenons attend most of the international trade show of digital printing, bring more and more new solutions to the market. With over 16 years' experience in digital inkjet printing industry, Xenons continues providing the best solution to our customer.